Finally, just one quiet minute for my coffee. Whoa! Oh no! My coffee! Seriously? The school office. Let's see. Why on earth are they calling me right now? Hello? Yes, this is Lisa Whitmore.
Mrs. Whitmore, please, deep breaths. There is an emergency on the playground.
What is an emergency? A party, B, an urgent danger, or C, a vacation? An emergency? Wait, is it Jake or June? Who was hurt?
It is June. She fell from the very top of the giant climbing frame.
Oh, my sweet June. Can she walk? Is she conscious?
She is conscious, but she cannot move her leg. She is in a lot of pain.
She cannot move it? Oh, no, I am coming right now.
We have called an ambulance, just to be safe.
Come on, please open, I need to hurry. Pick up Mark. Come on, please answer.
Hey, Lisa, is everything okay?
Mark, it's June. She had an accident. She fell, and they called an ambulance.
Oh no, okay, I am leaving work immediately.
I am so scared, Mark. My poor baby.
I will meet you there. We will be there together. Just breathe.
The sirens are so loud. Hang on, June. Mommy is here. June, Mommy is here.
Mommy, it hurts! My leg hurts so much!
Oh, my poor baby. I'm right here.
Hello, ma'am. Please, give us a little space to help her.
What is a paramedic? A bus driver, B, an emergency medic, or C, a teacher? Oh my gosh, what is wrong with her leg? Why does it look like that?
We suspect it is a fracture. It is a very bad break.
Oh, my poor girl. June, look at me. Breathe. Just breathe.
We need to stabilize the leg before we lift her.
What does stabilize mean? A, keep steady. B, move faster. Or C, change color. Can I go in the ambulance with her, please?
Yes, sit in the back. Let's move.
I am right here, June. You are doing so great.
Lisa, where are you guys?
We are in the ambulance, Mark. We are going to City Hospital.
City Hospital? Got it. I'll meet you at the emergency entrance.
Mommy, are we going fast?
Yes, honey. The sirens tell other cars to move so we can see the doctor faster.
We are giving her medicine for the pain right now.
Wait, she is shaking. Is that normal?
She is in shock. It is a completely normal reaction. Don't worry.
See, you are safe now, sweetie. Whew, we are at the hospital, June.
June, I am here. Daddy is here.
Daddy?
I've got you. Wow, you are so brave.
Mark, thank God. They are taking her to radiology right now. What is radiology? A, an X-ray department. B, a bedroom. C, a cafeteria.
You two can wait in this room. The doctor will come soon.
Ugh, I should have been there. I shouldn't have let her climb so high.
Hey, do not say that. It was an accident. Kids fall all the time.
I know. I just want her to be back on her feet as soon as possible.
By the way, that idiom means to be healthy and walking again after an illness or injury.
Mr. and Mrs. Whitmore?
Yes, how is she, doctor?
Well, the X-ray shows a clean fracture of the tibia.
What is the tibia? A, an arm bone, B, a lower leg bone, or C, a tooth?
Oh boy, does she need surgery?
No surgery, but she needs a cast immediately.
What is a cast? A hard bone cover, B, a pillow, or C, a bandage?
She cannot put weight on it for 6 weeks. She will need crutches.
What are crutches? A, car wheels, B, walking sticks, or C, chairs? Can we see her now?
Yes, of course. She is resting.
Oh, wow! Look at you!
Look, Mommy, I have a robot leg.
Haha, you are the toughest robot I know. I know this is a bitter pill to swallow, June, but no sports for a little while.
A bitter pill to swallow means a difficult or unpleasant fact that you just have to accept.
That's okay. I'll be the fastest robot in the whole school.
Now that's the spirit. Let's get you home.
Class is in session. Let's see how you did on today's medical vocabulary. Emergency. B. An urgent danger. Paramedic. B. An emergency medic. Stabilize. A. Keep steady. Radiology. A. The X-ray department. Tibia. B. The lower leg bone. Cast. A. A hard cover for a broken bone. Crutches. B. Sticks to help you walk. Now let's review our idioms from today. Back on your feet means you are healthy and recovered. A bitter pill to swallow means a difficult fact you have to accept. Before we go, answer this in the comments. The last time I had a bitter pill to swallow was when? Keep practicing and stay safe. Goodbye, everyone.